What's up, y'all? It's Raquel Amaris, and yes, I am back with another video. And this time we're gonna do an actual makeup therapy because I'm starting to realize makeup therapy is me just sitting here and enjoying the makeup and enjoying the process of makeup. So you know what? Y'all about to sit here with me and enjoy the process. Just relax. I'm not gonna let y'all know any process, any technique. I just want you to sit back and I want you to just take it all in. If you want to take notes, you can. Sit back, relax, listen to the music. Let's get into this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and drop a black heart in the comment. Let me tell y'all, it took me so long to even just get this simple video recorded. There was so much behind the scenes. I want to thank God for allowing me to actually get this video recorded and get this out to you guys. I love you guys. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm doing some really cutesy fun stuff over there. I really hope y'all like this look. Let's get into it. Thank you very much. I'm so glad you watched the whole video because we're growing and we're learning together. We're becoming together. I'm gonna see y'all in that next video.